Right, that's it. Today is the day I clean me garage. Woof. Still, not a bit of hard work can't fix, right, son? Son?
Man, that's probably still clotting on with his comics from the car boot seal. Bone idol. That's gotta need fixing.
Settle down, you little nuggets. Today we'll learn about space. This is our solar system. As far as we know, Earth is the only planet that's got life. Yes, Toody.
Sir, aren't you from Earth?
Yes.
Then how come you've got no life? Should I go to the headmistress's office? No. Go to the park and get some chips instead. Yeah. No way! A flying saucer! I knew old Scrambooly was full of it. Whoa! Your Roger's words again!
Son, I'm gonna need a hand to fix the garage.
Tex, man! You nearly gave us a Neil Buchanan!
What are you doing, lad? What's the matter, man? Give us a look. Part 1, Part 3? What happened to Part 2 if you lost it? And that budgie at the car boot sale told us it was a full year. Now, let's see what we can find online. W. Dot. Oh, I put a comma. Where's the backspace? Whoa! Alright, so this gadget's got one, eh? And how far away is he? Wait. How, son? We're going down south. It's a nice day for it anyway. Not like a little father-son road trip.